Well, it's Saturday morning. I'm in the Granite, which is the nice dump truck. I'm not too terribly far from turning onto the forestry road. A little bit more tired than I thought I was going to be today, but not too terribly bad. Ashley left the same time I did to go up to Northwest Arkansas to go to the Razorback game. So just me today. I'll probably be back in 3 hours from now. Let's see what time it is. 10 o'clock. So I might be back 2 or 3. We'll go home and let the dogs out, or take the dogs. Might take the dogs over to the lake or something like that. But I'll probably end up stealing Pam Pam, leaving the other two at home. Take Pam Pam with me for a little while. I think we're about 2 turns away from the cemetery that you guys got to see yesterday. Planning on looking up the names of a couple of the older gravestones I see. Yeah, there's a cemetery right there. We use this as a landmark. So I'm not too far away from the blue house on the hill. When you hit the blue house on the hill, it's 4 more corners. You turn to the left onto the forestry road. So we'll be at the forestry road in a few minutes. And you go down the forestry road 7 miles, and you fork to the right, and then you follow it 10 miles. Maybe the house isn't blue. About to hit it. Well, it's a house on the hill either way. It's pretty obvious. I doubt you're going to be able to see this with the GoPro. Camera's a little bit too wide. But there's the house on the hill. So this is turn number 1. Three more and we'll be there. So nice easy Saturday. Had a lot of downtime recently, and we kind of need to get back onto some of these jobs, back to work. I'm hearing we're having a couple more big projects coming up, and hopefully I'll be able to Airbnb it and stay at those projects, and maybe Ben will actually let me manage the projects this time, or supervisor, I don't know, whatever you want to call it. We'll have to see. But we're down a dump truck driver, so if we start a project, everyone's going to end up working. Right now, it's been 2 or 3 or 4 people have been working full time. A lot of these other guys haven't, so I've been hoping that they're enjoying their downtime. But about to turn on the forestry road and dump this load and head on back out. Well, it just dropped. The homeowner's family was out there sitting out on the porch, and I'm sure they think it was crazy to see the loaded dump truck be driving down their road, you know, out in the middle of nowhere on a Saturday. But I'm headed back out. Jesus Christ. This is the big rock that they can't move even with the dozer. They've tried pushing on it several times and it won't budge. But I am climbing back up to the first switchback, and this is where it washes out all the time. And I am making my way back home.